Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download or save Google Maps on offline mode. So in your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google Map app on your device. After opening, enter your location direction. After entering the direction guys, just in the bottom side of your screen you can get your location direction name. Just tap on it, and here guys on the top right side you can see three dots. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option download offline map. Just tap on it, very simple, and adjust the map direction screen like this from where you want direction. And after this guys, just tap on download. That's it, very simple. So as you can see, now your offline map was downloading. So after downloading guys, now if you want to view that map, once again you want to open your Google Map. After opening, on the top right side you can see your profile pic. Just tap on it. From here you can get option offline map. Just tap on it. From here you can easily view your all offline downloaded map on your device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.